was struggling to complete the second page of my sketchbook. But suddenly, something happened. I didn't even have a delivery. I had no idea what is this giant package. Wait, dive into digital world from Bubbly. But who is the Bubbly? I just wanted to open this and see something here. That's a drawing tablet. I think Bubbly was too much into making me dive into the digital world and couldn't send me an iPad Pro with a low budget. So just send me a screenless drawing tablet. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm just so excited to try the digital art for the first time. So I decided to listen to Bubbly's advice and dive into the digital world. It's just so satisfying. So first I open Photoshop and set the workplace on painting. And I start practicing by drawing some random lines. I think this is just so cool and it doesn't feel that varied for me. Then I think it's better if I practice by tracing some simple line arts. Actually, I did some digital art before with a mouse, which is so hard, but actually never with a pen. I mean a digital pen. It's a bit challenging when you were drawing on paper for a long time. Then suddenly see your drawing on this screen. And of course, I never stopped drawing on paper. But from now on, I want to draw both. Each of them interests me in some way. Alright, now, the first trace turned out terrible, but the second one, it's better. So, now I want to choose a simple and cute reference and see how it goes. I think the biggest advantage of digital art can be the undo option, and I assume you can draw faster, but of course after getting used to it. Also, you don't need to prepare a lot of art supplies or even buy them. But again, I miss traditional art. Okay, the sketch was going fine, but after line art, I can see a lot of mistakes here. And it's not a good idea to color the drawing when you can't even have a clean line art. But I just want to test the brush. Yeah, I need to watch some digital art tutorial videos. I have to practice a lot. But for now, just accept it. I mean, you know, there is a rule which says the first digital art of a traditional artist must be bad. By the way, in the next video, I want to share my drawing improvement after 1 week of a straight practice challenge. So make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss that video. Just look at the mood and way character is looking at you. It's like, why you even draw me? Why should I even be the reference for someone who is drawing digitally for the first time? Yeah, okay, that's it. This was literally one of the best challenges I have ever experienced. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Lastly, what I want to say is, if you want to see how I made a layered paper art, you can check this video.